Boss Time presents.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Grab a cop gun, kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, go.
Five, four, three, two.
Kaden Carter and Katana Chance, the Warriors of NXT.
The following is a fatal four-way tag team match. Introducing first, Katana Chance and Kaden Carter.
The longest reigning NXT Women's Tag Team Champions in history. Hey, they dance as good as they wrestle. Go, Kaden. Go, Kaden.
Byron, I'm a much better dancer. You know I've won many dance contests.
The HBIC is BACK.
Mia Yim looking to make the most of this opportunity.
And from Fontana, California, featuring Mia Yim.
She is the baddest of the baddies.
Returning to the WWE to right the wrongs.
Mia Yim with impressive performances in the first two Mae Young Classic tournaments.
Yeah, plenty of big match experience in NXT, competing at several NXT TakeOver events.
Ready to jump to that next level with a win here tonight.
It's all about me.
And from Melbourne, Australia, Emma.
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one.
One of the best competitors around, ready to show her skills.
Here comes trouble.
facing off, things are going to get frantic fast.
Whatever team comes out of this with their hand raised is going to make a strong case for being the best in WWE.
Attacking the body. Up and knee right to the center of the cover.
She pops the shoulder up and one.
She is not done yet.
Hooked up. What kind of headspace do you need to be successful in a no disqualification match?
A ruthless one, Cole. You can't show any remorse about going after your opponent.